guys, and today I have another homemade squishy update for you guys. In this update, I made my own homemade squishy series, and this first one is a cooler donut. All these are based off of food and my character Boba, which is a monkey. This cooler donut is dipped in chocolate and it has powdered sugar on it. Next, I have this teriyaki, and this is a lot more squishier than the cooler donut. Next, I have this cake roll, and if you haven't noticed, there's a fold here mark on the packaging as well as the cooler donut. And this one has got to be my favorite of this update just because it's super duper squishy. And last for the series, I have this bubble tea or boba. This is also really squishy but airy because I put tape around it. Then I have this pangunji squishy, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And if you have no idea what pangunji is, it's a Japanese character. And last for this update, I have this Mufia squishy from the Series 1 Mufia blind box. And I forgot to add the horns on it. I believe someone has made this before. I saw on Instagram, but I forgot the username. I couldn't find it again. It could kind of stand, so that's a good thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this update. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!